Hey guys, Bowie is here.
Hi.
With super long luscious locks. You ready for it?
Oh, I'm so excited.
It's going to be cool. See you guys at the end. Here we go. Oh, the hair is so soft it doesn't come off immediately. It's refusing.
Yeah, that's it?
Yeah. See? Oh, there it is. Let's do it the other way. Oh.
This is such a pretty look.
Yeah, cool look. Let's keep it like this. It's the reversed mohawk. Yeah, cute. Oop. How about a mullet? We can do that.
I don't see what you see, so I think I can handle a lot.
Yeah, you rock it. There you go. I guess. Ooh. I'm going to steal your glasses.
Yeah.
Sorry. We'll give them back when we're done.
I will try to see things, so
No, you're getting them back as soon as this is short. You're actually blonder than I thought.
yeah.
Yeah. So it's going to be very dark, but it's okay. It's a good natural color.
I was whitish when I was a child.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Or I was white.
Yeah, me too, when I was younger. I was born ginger, like almost red.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it left just my beard.
Yeah.
If I ever start an own product brand, I would call it Captain Gingerbeard.
That's cute.
Yeah.
I love flowers.
Moest mijn buik inhouden. Don't laugh at me. I'll shave you bald. Damn. Oh, that neckline is gorgeous. I'll rescue you from the itchy hairs in a second. Damn. So clean. Niks meer.
Nee,
Ah.
dacht ik nou.
Oh, these are really itchy. Sorry.
That's okay.
Did I aim right?
No.
Yeah, almost.
Oh my god, yes. Oh. And my long neck is there again.
Yeah.
Oh, I could say.
But now for the best part.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's awesome.
See, it's nice and pointed, a little softer.
Awesome. That is. I'm so extremely happy.
Don't cry.
Oh, yes. I needed this.
Great. Well, that's it, guys. We're done. What a change. Before and after. They were thinking, where's the before? But they see it. What a change. So cool. Thank you for coming and having the trust in me.
No problem. I'm so stoked. This is so. Oh, I'm excited.
Cool. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.